Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and thought, why do I feel older today than I did yesterday? It's not always the big things that age us. Sometimes it's the tiny habits we do every morning without even thinking about them. And after 60, those small habits can make a big difference in how youthful, energetic, and alive we feel throughout the day. Morning is the foundation of your entire day. How you start your morning sets the tone for your mood, your energy, and even how fast your body ages. Many of us grew up with certain routines that felt normal when we were younger, but as we age, our bodies change. What worked at 30 or 40 may actually drain us or speed up aging after 60. The good news is that with a few gentle shifts, your mornings can become a source of vitality, clarity, and strength. And that's what we're here to explore today. In this video, we're talking about 5 common morning habits that might be secretly aging you faster, and more importantly, how you can replace them with simple, energizing routines that support a healthier body and a sharper mind. As we go along, notice which of these habits sound familiar to you. And if you've struggled with low energy, morning stiffness, or just feeling older than your age, I'd love for you to share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else who feels the same. And if you find this helpful so far, feel free to gently tap the like button and subscribe, so more people over 50 can learn how to age with energy and confidence. Let's begin with one habit almost everyone is guilty of: skipping water in the morning. Many people wake up and go straight for coffee or tea. Now, there's nothing wrong with enjoying your morning drink, but overnight, your body becomes mildly dehydrated. When you wake up, your cells are thirsty, your brain needs hydration to function, and your joints need lubrication to move smoothly. If the first thing you put into your body is caffeine, which is dehydrating, you're starting the day in a deficit. That lack of hydration can lead to fatigue, brain fog, constipation, dull skin, and even make fine lines appear more noticeable. A simple shift like drinking a glass of water before your tea or coffee can rehydrate your body, wake up your digestive system, and help your skin look fresher. Think of it as giving your body a refreshing shower from the inside. Another common habit that can age you faster is staying seated or lying around for too long after waking up. It's tempting to sit in bed scrolling on your phone or turn on the TV while you ease into the day. But the longer you stay still, the stiffer your muscles and joints become, especially after 60. Our bodies need gentle movement to get blood flowing, deliver oxygen to the brain, and loosen up the spine, hips, and shoulders. Even 2 to 3 minutes of light stretching, walking around the house, or doing slow arm and leg movements can help. It doesn't need to be exercise. Think of it as telling your body, it's time to wake up and start living. Now that we've touched on hydration and movement, let's ease into the next morning habit that may be aging you without you realizing it. One habit that often goes unnoticed, yet silently affects how old we feel, is skipping a proper breakfast or grabbing something sugary just to get going. Many people over 60 grew up hearing that breakfast could be a quick slice of toast, a sugary cereal, or even just a cup of coffee. But as we age, our metabolism slows, and our muscles need steady fuel to stay strong. A sugary or carb-heavy breakfast can cause a spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, leaving you tired, irritable, and craving more food later. Over time, this roller coaster drains your energy, affects memory, and speeds up aging in your cells. A simple change like choosing a protein-rich breakfast, maybe eggs, yogurt, or a small handful of nuts with fruit, can keep your energy stable, support muscle strength, and help you feel more awake and youthful throughout the day. You don't need a big meal, just something nourishing and steady to fuel your morning. Another morning habit that adds unnecessary stress to your body is starting your day in a rush. You might not even realize it's happening. Maybe you wake up and immediately think of everything you need to do, check your phone for messages, or turn on the news and absorb stressful headlines before your mind has time to settle. When the brain is hit with stress the moment you open your eyes, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that in high amounts can lead to inflammation, faster aging, and a cloudy mind. It's like throwing your nervous system into a race before it's even had a chance to breathe. Instead, consider giving yourself a calm start, even if it's just for a few minutes. Sit quietly, stretch, look out the window, or take a few slow breaths before letting the world in. Those small moments of calm can set a peaceful tone for your day, lowering stress and supporting emotional well-being. And while we're here, there's one more morning mistake that can surprise people. Skipping sunlight. Many adults spend the early part of their morning indoors with curtains closed or lights dimmed. It might feel cozy, but your brain relies on natural light to regulate your internal clock. Morning sunlight tells your body, it's daytime, wake up, be alert, be alive. Without that signal, you may feel sluggish, mentally slow, or even more prone to sadness throughout the day. Just stepping outside for a few minutes, or opening the curtains to let the light in, helps your brain release serotonin, a mood-boosting chemical that supports mental clarity and happiness. Sunlight also helps regulate sleep patterns, which means better rest at night. And better rest equals slower aging. These simple adjustments, choosing a nourishing breakfast, slowing down before inviting stress in, and letting a little sunlight touch your morning, can transform how you feel not just today, but years from now. Aging well isn't about big, dramatic changes. It's about gentle shifts that protect your energy, your mood, and your health. Next, let's explore the final habit that often gets overlooked but has a powerful effect on how young and vibrant you feel. There's one more morning habit that often goes unnoticed, yet it can quietly age you faster than you think. Starting your day with negative self-talk or focusing on aches, flaws, and worries before anything positive has a chance to settle in. Many people over 60 wake up and immediately think about what hurts, what's going wrong, or what they can't do anymore. It may seem harmless, but the mind listens to every message you send it. When the first thoughts of the day are filled with discouragement or frustration, your brain and body respond as if life is shrinking, not expanding. That heaviness affects your energy, posture, motivation, and even how your face looks because stress and negative thinking tighten your muscles and deepen tension lines. A gentle shift in mindset can make a world of difference. You don't need to pretend everything is perfect. Instead, try starting the day with one simple, uplifting thought. It could be gratitude for waking up, appreciation for the people you love, or even a small plan that gives you something to look forward to. A thought like, I'm grateful for another day, or my body is doing its best and I'm here to support it, creates space for warmth and hope. That small mental adjustment can soften stress, relax the body, and help you feel more youthful and open to joy. The way you speak to yourself is a daily vitamin for your emotional health. And emotional health plays a huge role in longevity. When you put all these small morning shifts together, hydrating, moving your body gently, choosing a nourishing breakfast, avoiding stress first thing, welcoming sunlight, and speaking kindly to yourself, you begin to build mornings that protect your energy rather than drain it. These aren't rules or strict routines, they're small gifts you give yourself. Think of them as breakfast for your soul and your body. Aging isn't about trying to be 25 again. It's about feeling strong, alive, confident, and connected to who you are now. And you deserve that. You've lived through so many chapters, learned so many lessons, and shaped a life full of memories. The goal now is to make these next years vibrant, fulfilling, and joyful. Your morning routine can be a powerful tool to help you do that, one gentle choice at a time. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Do you recognize any of them from your own mornings? Maybe you already have a morning habit that makes you feel great. Share it in the comments so others can try it too. Your experience could really inspire someone who needs a little encouragement today. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it, because that helps more people discover this kind of uplifting content. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel for more simple, heartwarming, and practical tips to live healthier, happier, and stronger after 50. You could even share this video with a friend or family member who might need a gentle reminder that small changes can create a big shift in how they feel. Remember, it's never too late to create a life that feels good when you wake up in the morning. You deserve to feel energized, hopeful, and proud of the care you give your body and mind. Here's to brighter mornings, healthier days, and living your best life at any age.